Welcome everyone. In today's video, we'll dive into smart saving strategies to achieve your top financial goals. Whether you're yearning for a tropical getaway, the stability of homeownership, or a brand new set of wheels, we'll equip you with the tools and know-how to make it happen. So, buckle up and get ready to transform your financial dreams into a reality. The first step to reaching any destination is knowing where you want to go. The same holds true for your finances. Clearly define your top financial goals. Are you yearning for a relaxing beach vacation, the pride of homeownership, or the convenience of a new car? Once you've identified your goal, research to determine a realistic budget. For a vacation, consider travel dates, flights, and accommodation costs. Think about the size and location for your dream home and research average home prices in those areas. When it comes to cars, factor in the make, model, features, and prevailing market prices. Having a clear understanding of your income and expenses is crucial for successful saving. Create a detailed budget that tracks all your incoming and outgoing funds. Be honest with yourself. Identify areas where you can cut back on discretionary spending like dining out, entertainment, or subscriptions. Every dollar saved is a dollar closer to your goal. To avoid the temptation to spend, automate savings transfers from your checking account to your savings account. This will ensure consistent progress towards your goals. Vacations are a fantastic way to relax and recharge. Here are some clever strategies to save for your dream getaway. Consider traveling during off-peak seasons when flights and accommodation prices typically drop. Explore alternative destinations that might offer similar experiences at a more affordable cost. Don't underestimate the power of a staycation. Explore your own city's hidden gems, parks, and local attractions for a budget-friendly yet refreshing break. A down payment is a critical step towards achieving homeownership. While a 20% down payment is ideal, as it eliminates private mortgage insurance, PMI, and saves money in the long run, it might not be feasible for everyone. Here are some strategies to consider. Set a realistic down payment goal, research average down payments in your target area, and determine a realistic, achievable goal based on your current financial situation. Explore down payment assistance programs. Many government programs and lenders offer down payment assistance programs for first-time homebuyers. These programs can significantly reduce the upfront costs associated with buying a home. Increase your savings rate, analyze your budget, and identify areas where you can cut back on discretionary spending. Allocate the additional savings towards your down payment fund. Consider a side hustle. Taking on a freelance gig or part-time job can provide a significant boost to your down payment savings. Factor in closing costs. Remember to factor in closing costs on top of your down payment goal. Closing costs typically range from 2 to 5% of the purchase price of the home. By implementing these strategies and tailoring them to your specific circumstances, you can significantly increase your chances of achieving homeownership sooner rather than later. A reliable car is a valuable asset. Here are some smart strategies to save for your dream ride. While a new car can be tempting, consider the significant savings you can achieve by opting for a gently used car. It will still be reliable and functional, but with a lower price tag. Don't be shy to negotiate the price of a car, whether new or used. A little friendly negotiation can save you a significant amount of money. Finally, prioritize fuel efficiency. Choosing a car with good gas mileage translates to significant savings at the pump over time. Once you've established your savings plan, you can leverage your saved funds to work even harder for you. A high-yield savings account allows you to earn interest on your money while maintaining easy access to it for your upcoming goal. Certificates of deposit, CDs, offer a higher interest rate in exchange for locking away your money for a predetermined period. This can be a great strategy for a portion of your savings that you know you won't need to access in the near future. Finally, for long-term goals, you might consider investment options like stocks, bonds, or mutual funds. However, it's important to consult with a financial advisor to understand the risks involved and choose investments aligned with your risk tolerance and time horizon. The journey to achieving your financial goals takes dedication and perseverance. Here are some tips to stay motivated throughout the process. Track your progress. Regularly monitoring your savings growth provides a visual representation of your hard work and keeps you motivated. Celebrate your milestones. Reaching savings goals, big or small, deserves recognition. Reward yourself with a small treat or experience to keep you feeling positive and encouraged. Finally, consider finding an accountability partner. Sharing your goals with a supportive friend or family member can provide valuable encouragement and keep you on track during challenging times. Congratulations! You've now equipped yourself with the knowledge and tools to transform your financial dreams into a reality. Solidify your plan, take action, and watch your savings grow. Remember, with dedication, consistent effort, and smart savings strategies, you can achieve any financial goal you set your mind to. So, don't wait any longer. Embrace the journey and start making your dreams come true today.